Hello, Josh from the Comic Book Collecting Quest, and I got another haul in today. More books to sell. So here we go. Not too many. Like I said, here we go. All right. Trying to find a good spot to put these. This box. Oh no! Oh. I was trying to keep from dropping them, and I just dropped them. Hang on. Okay, I think we're okay. So, first up here is Batman 246. This Neil Adams cover here of a hanging Robin, controversial. Not a big fan of stuff like that myself. Next we have Batman 247. I've never read this one, so I will be giving this a read. Next is War by Charlton, War #1. I got a bunch of Charlton #1s. And then we have Monster Hunters #1 by Charlton. Since I dropped these, they're all mixed up now. Okay, I'm keeping this one for now. This is My Love, Charlton, #1. Keep away from me, Ed. You've had your chance, and now I don't want you near me. Yeah, Ed, you need to ease up there, buddy. No means no, Edward. Okay, and now we have DC 100-page Spectacular. I think these are all reprints. 100 action-packed pages of story and art from cover to cover. I'm gonna look into this real quick. Okay, so this is So this is DC 100-page Spectacular #20. Some cover gallery on the back. I had some laundry baskets stacked and they just fell. This morning, things are happening. Okay, now we have, another DC 100-pager, but this is Batman 258. Another Charlton #1, Scary Tales #1. Then we've all been waiting for it. TV smash hit, Primus #1. Joe Staton cover. This one's Vengeance Squad #1. House of Yang #1. Charlton. Sam Ho Kim. Sam Ho Kim. Old Matarog is nuts about him, so now I get to join that club. I'm going to sell this. Oh, and somebody drew all over this one. Well, I'm going to have to take it out of the bag to see exactly what it is. We have Love Diary. I don't know why, because somebody colored all over it. Thomas A. Butler, age 20. Oh, Thomas Albert Butler and Kathy Louise Butler owned it. And this is Love Diary number 86. Hopefully, Albert, or Thomas and Kathy, hopefully their love is still burning. And, okay, there it is. I like look at the bag, like, a guy had this? And then I'm like, I'm keeping it for myself. All right, here we go. And then this one is rough. I'll take it out of the bag. Let's see. Career Girl Romances, number 59. Charlton. My kid's popping balloons upstairs. And this is another Thomas Butler. Wait a minute here. So Thomas was 20, but Kathy was 17. Thomas. That's illegal in most states. But not in Ohio in the 70s. And now, I guess, poor Kathy didn't finish high school because maybe Thomas knocked her up. But she was wanting to get the high school diploma. $1970. So good. Hopefully Thomas and Kathy are doing well. Okay. So this one I just bought because I wanted it. So one day I will sell it, but for now I'm going to keep it and read it. It's in really good condition. Smart ass. Wow. Somebody has defiled the book by writing smart ass on this lady's head. Okay, quit looking at it. Sorry. Okay, we got Roy Thomas editor, Lenny Grove production, John Romita, Dan Atkins art directors, staff and such, Gary Friedrich, Don and Maggie Thompson, Ralph Macchio, Jim Novak, Denise Wohl, Don Newton did the cover, very good cover, Donnie Boy. This issue is respectfully dedicated to the memory of Stanley Weinbaum, Archie Goodwin, John David Warner, consulting editors, Nora Macklin, design. First one is A Martian Odyssey. Second story is Theodore Sturgeon Lives. Okay. From the horror gem It in 1940 through masterful novels such as More Than Human, to the award-winning story Slow Sculpture of the 1970s, Ted Sturgeon is science fiction at its best. An exclusive and thought-provoking interview. A Journey's End, Forest for the Trees, Fantastic Worlds, Cleat, Preservation of the Species, Sinner, Arena, a dead asteroid, sets the stage for the strangest battle ever thought, and threads. Yeah, so happy to have it for now. Can't wait to read it. I'm in the right now my reading pile. I'm on funny animals and like Golden Age funny animal books, and then I got this yesterday, and I was like, God, I want to read that right now so bad. Like, no, read the funny animal books. I've got a lot of them, so I need to get those read because I recently read a short box worth of Detective Comics and Batman, so I need to get my funny animals read. Okay, the big book for me of the lot is this one, X-Men 98. The Sentinels are back. And once again, as soon as I saw this, I was like, I want to read that right now. No, I will hold off. Yeah. The Sentinels are back. Enough said. Chris Claremont and Dave Cockrum. God, all right. I instantly see the splash page, and I'm like, I want to read that now. Not right now. Wait. Read those funny animal books. It's in pretty decent shape. It's got roughed up there, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Yeah, I can't wait to read that one. So here we are, more Batman. This is Batman 250. Batman 249. Another DC 100-page spectacular, DC 14. Okay, and then we have another 100-pager, Batman 254. And lastly, we have Batman 100-pager, Batman 256. So, need to read those funny animal books because I'm like, God, I can't wait to read those. It's going to be a while because I got to read those funny animal books and stuff. So, yeah, that was the haul. Yeah, just getting back to real life. You know, Chicago, having the vacation, and then you gotta get back to real life. My kid goes back to school today. I'm gonna try to get a lot of work done today. And yeah, so everyone, keep on collecting, please. Have a good one.